Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm getting ready to go to my graduation. I thought I would just do like a kind of vlog style get ready with me just because I don't really have time to do like a proper fancy montagey video of me getting ready, so I thought I would just kind of sit here and chat to you while I get ready and show you some products that I'm using. Currently just popped on, did a lot of skincare this morning just to make sure that my skin is looking really flawless, and well, when I say flawless I mean like nice and smooth. There's still flaws but we're covering them up, but my skin was nice and moisturised and things like that, and I've really been liking this. It's the Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist, and I really like these different face mists. I've tried a couple of the different scents and this one is the latest one that I'm trying, and I really like it because it smells really nice and it just makes my skin look nice and glowy. So I popped that on, and then I've been putting on my concealer, which is Collection Lasting Perfection, and then some foundation using the Revlon Colour Stay again. I've really been loving this. It lasted on my face so well when I went to London, so I thought today I'm gonna need my face to be looking flawless for photos, and it's gonna be a long day. Like, I think the ceremony can go on for around 2 hours or something, and then basically I'm coming home, getting myself sorted, and then going back out for dinner tonight, so it's gonna be a long day. I'm now going in with my under eye concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is such a good concealer. So I've already done my eye makeup. I used the Too Faced White Peach palette, and I think I've done this look in a video before. I just used this peachy shade in my crease and then glistening peach all over my lid, and then I put this Stila glitter. It's in the shade Monarch, and I just popped that kind of all over my lid just to add a nice kind of delicate shimmer, nothing too in your face because obviously it is daytime. And then I just popped on the Fleur de Force 3/4 length lashes because they're my favourite. I'm just watching New Kardashians at the moment while I get ready. I'm loving my nails at the moment. I've never ever worn false nails before, but I just felt like my real nails were looking a little bit short. Basically, like, mine do grow quite long, but then eventually, sadly, they always break, so I have to cut them down and then give them time to grow again. And whilst I was waiting for them to grow, I had quite a lot of things on, like graduation, and it's my birthday next week and things like that, so I thought it was quite important to make sure my nails were looking nice. So I got these false nails from Impress, I think the brand is, and I'm genuinely impressed. These literally have lasted 11 days. Like, I've been at work, I've been doing things, and these nails have stayed on my hands. It's just crazy. So they're just literally stick-on nails. They're just press-on ones. They don't, no glue or anything, so it's crazy. So next I'm just going to be setting my face, and then what I'm doing is I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match powder. This is the powder foundation in the shade Golden Ivory. I really like this, and I get it in a darker shade so that I can make my face match my neck because I have fake tan on. This foundation is honestly so good. I just apply it a little bit kind of all over my face, and then on an everyday basis I'll just apply like a very small amount just on like areas that I need extra coverage, but then when I want a more full coverage look, I'll pop this on top of everything, and it just makes everything look so flawless. And now I look more the same colour, which is always good. There we go. And now I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. So I'm using the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette. So I'm going to do the medium highlight shade first, and I'm just popping that under my eyes just to brighten and also to set my concealer under there. Really like this powder. It smells so good. This is the Geo Fiber Contour Brush from Real Techniques, and I'm taking the light contour and I'm just really lightly dabbing that in. I'm really not the best at contouring. I don't really know what I'm doing. Like, I know where I'm meant to put the contour, but I don't know. I don't do it super strong because I'm not really the best at it, so that'll do. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of bronzer. Actually, a lot of bronzer. I love bronzer. And then I'm also going to be applying a little bit of peachy blush. Best highlight ever. So I've just done my brows and I'm just brushing through them, and then that is me done. Other than my lips, I need to obviously I need to put my lipstick on, but I'm gonna go and have some food first. But I want my makeup lasting all day, so I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Mist. This is my all-time favourite setting spray. I've tried loads of different setting sprays, and this is by far the best for me. I got some cards, so I'm going to open them and then go and have some breakfast. this is my hair and makeup all done, and that is me ready to go. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up, and also feel free to check me out on Instagram. It's at @AlohaAmy_, and there's always lots and lots of pink content on there. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!